Welcome back to ISFAIR Daily Q. Today's question in the Geography section is taken from the UPSC CSE Prelims 2024. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. Statement 2. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorbers of long-wave radiation. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 explains statement 1. B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 does not explain statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Or D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So let's look at the answer and the explanation. Statement 1 was incorrect. Insolation reaches the Earth's surface in short waves and heat is radiated from the Earth in long waves. The atmosphere is transparent to short waves and opaque to long waves. Therefore, energy leaving the Earth's surface, that is terrestrial radiation, heats up the atmosphere more than the incoming solar radiation or insolation. And statement 2 was correct. The long wave radiation is absorbed by atmospheric gases, particularly by carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Thus, the atmosphere is indirectly heated by the Earth's radiation. Therefore, the answer is option D, that is statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So that's your daily Q for geography. Now don't miss today's questions from polity, history and economy. Go check them out and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Make Daily Q your daily habit.